Hello friends, welcome to Cloudy ML. This is Akash. Today in this video we are going to see the difference between machine learning, deep learning and data science. These terms are used very often in our day-to-day life if you are in this field of artificial intelligence, but their difference is not so clear. So we are going to see that today. So in this Venn diagram we can see that there is a bigger circle of artificial intelligence. In that bigger circle we have a large circle of machine learning, and within that machine learning we have deep learning. So the point to note here is that machine learning consists of many other tools like scikit-learn, XGBoost and many others, and deep learning is also a part of machine learning. It's not something apart from machine learning. Generally we people have the understanding that deep learning is separate from machine learning, but actually it's a part of machine learning. And deep learning itself has many framework like TensorFlow, PyTorch, MXNet and various others. Artificial intelligence is not just machine learning, it also has many other tools which we use like reinforcement learning, and many other tools are there. Coming to data science is something which encapsulate all those things little bit and extra some tools, and it come together makes the data science. So we will see what's the main difference between data science and machine learning now. So machine learning, we will basically collect the data, train the model and deploy the model. But in data science we will collect the data, analyze the data and suggest some hypothesis or actions. Now the things will be much clear. So in data science we are doing, suppose we have a marketing project, we are doing A/B testing. So the data science is just giving you the insights. Okay, please use the green button, it's giving you more customers. So these kinds of insights to improve the business are given by data science. But when you come to machine learning, it is something tool deployed which is running at the back end of like when you go to the Flipkart or Amazon to buy some products, you will see the recommendations. So this is machine learning acting at the back end, working for you based on your search results. It's giving you recommendations. So this is machine learning. One more example is agriculture. So in agriculture, data science, when we see as a data science project, so it includes the study of the weather, study of the soil, and to do analysis and tell to the farmers that in this season you should grow these crops, they will give you better yield. In this season you should grow other crop, they will give much better yield. So this kind of analysis insights which we are going in to give in data science. Coming to machine learning, it's something like suppose a robot is there, a machine learning model is deployed inside it, which will do imagine analytics and understand, okay, this portion is a weed, so spread the weed killer on this particular part without wasting much and polluting the soil due to that chemical which is used for killing. So that robot will spread only in this particular area, it won't go beyond this area. So this is machine learning. So I hope this whole idea is clear. I will summarize. So deep learning is a part of machine learning which in itself is a part of artificial intelligence, and data science is something which goes through all the artificial machine learning, deep learning and some other tools to give insights, business insights to us. So thank you very much. Hopefully you got some bit clarity and it was interesting video. So please write your feedback and if you have some doubts in the comment box, and please subscribe to my channel. It will help to encourage me to make more videos, and hit the like button. Thank you very much.